Tired of the same old boring WordPress navigation? Today, we're spicing things up by adding images and icons to your WordPress navigation menu, making it both beautiful and super easy to use. Let's dive in. First, we're going to need a plugin. Head to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins. Then click Add New. In the search bar, type Menu Icons. This is the plugin we will be using today. It's free and easy to use. Find the Menu Icons plugin, typically by Coates, and click Install Now. Once it's installed, click the Activate button. Now navigate to Appearance in your dashboard and click on Menus. Select the menu you want to edit. If you have more than one, then click on the menu item you want to add an icon to. You should now see a new icon button below the menu item settings. Because you have installed the plugin, click on this button. This opens up a window with various icon libraries. Choose the icon you'd like to use. We recommend Dashicons. It comes with WordPress and it's easy to use. Browse the icons and select one that represents your menu item. For example, a house icon for your home menu item. You can customize the icon size, position, and other settings within this window. Play around with them until you are happy. Once you're happy, click Save. You should now see the icon displayed next to your menu item in the menu editor. Don't forget to click the Save Menu button to save all your changes. Visit your website and admire your visually enhanced navigation menu. And that's it. Your navigation is now more engaging and easier to navigate. Like this video. Subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.